Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to new lesson. This is MD Jakariya. I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is tense. In my previous lesson, I discussed about present continuous, and today I will discuss about present perfect. So I hope that you will watch the video before ending. Today's topic is present perfect. Present perfect. First time, we have to know that the definition of present perfect, and also have to know the structure of present perfect. If you know these things, we will be able to make a sentence in present perfect very easily. What is the definition of present perfect? Present perfect is a tense. A work is done before something, or a work is done recently, but the result is not and yet. Or if I say very easily, suppose you think that I order you switch off the fan and you do it, but fan will not stop quickly or at a time, because it will be stopped after 5 or 6 seconds. This is the example of present perfect. But present perfect is a perfect. Something is done recently, but the result is not and yet. This is called present perfect. And the structure of present perfect is subject plus have, has plus be3. You know, subject and have as is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, the another name of auxiliary verb is helping verb. And B3 is a main verb, and every main verb have a 3 form. One is present, second is past, third is past participle form. So in present perfect sentence, first time you will write subject, then have as, then V3. Okay, I am giving an example to understand the lesson very easily. আমি কাজটি করিয়াছি। আমি কাজটি করিয়াছি. This is an example of present perfect tense. If I translate the sentence following the structure, what will happen? First time we have to use subject. Here subject is ami. Ami means I and have as. When subject is I, then verb will be have. And you have to ask me a question, when will you use has? When subject will be third person singular, that time you will use has. Otherwise, and other subjects, with other subjects, you have to use have. Okay? Then verb 3. Here the main verb is koriyachi. Koriyachi means done. Done. Done is the past participle form of do. You know that do means kora, and do is present form, did past form, and done is past participle form. Here the sentence is I have done kasti. Kasti is an extension. Kasti means is the work. The work. Here the sentence is আমি কাজটি করিয়াছি. English is I have done the work. This is the very easy method, and If you practice following the structure, it will be very helpful to you to speak in English and to improve your writing skill. So, I hope that you will practice continuously and cling with me. Thanks for watching the video. See you again with a new video.